Sad, we got some baby back ribs. I know y'all love them ribs. I know y'all love them ribs. I know y'all love them ribs. We love them too. And I think this is the first set of baby backs I cooked for y'all. But here we go. We're gonna rock with the baby backs today. So if y'all wanna see this deliciousness, stick around, watch the whole video, thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Y'all know what it is. We're gonna show y'all another good one. Eat good with us, alright? Yeah! The ribs first. Now, it's not gonna be nothing fancy. It's just gonna be some good old salt and pepper. We're gonna try with this. This seasoning has been clutch. We ate some of this on some string beans yesterday that Mom cooked last night for dinner. It was bomb, and I want to know how it tastes on these ribs too. We're gonna use mustard as the binder. No, not today. Oh, you know the fam got some goodness for y'all. We gonna use Chick-fil-A sauce. That's gonna be the kick in today's video. Other people ribs, y'all always see the binder. Oh, it's yellow mustard. It don't taste like nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing. We can just throw this on there. Man, get out of here. We ain't using that today. We using Chick-fil-A sauce. So let's rock. This to the side. That's some tough plastic, y'all. Don't want me to have my meat. Pause. Yeah. This plastic is like super tough for like no reason. Goodness gracious, I had to use my manpower. Don't forget to rinse your meat. Just like with any set of ribs, you do have the membrane on the back. Let's see if we can get it in one go. There you go. Y'all see that? Hope I'm not blocking it. Try to get your fingers up underneath that. You see that? That's that membrane. We want to get that off, right? So, we'll add some more for y'all.
You're not like.
Got it. All in one piece. Put that in the plastic. Throw that plastic away. I see there's a lot of blood left right there. Y'all see that? Trying to see if I can push some of that out. We'll give it a good little rinse again. So I can get some of that blood lining out. I don't want to have to actually, slice it right there. But if I have to, I will to get that blood line out. Sometimes, it just makes the meat a little gamey. We don't want that. So I ended up just making a small incision just so I can get most of that blood out. But I didn't want to go too deep into the meat. I just wanted to open up that blood vessel. That way I can get all that blood out. Y'all see that? Alright. So, bam. Not gonna clean it up too much. Cut that little end off right there. Just take that little piece off. Alright. Now that we clean up and we looking good, I'm gonna wash my hands. Proceed to putting our binder on. Let's apply the back first. And the same thing like the mustard. You're really not going to taste it, so I'm just doing some gimmick. But still, we got Chick-fil-A today. And we're going to go ahead with a little bit of salt. Not too much. You don't want to over salt your pork. Especially because this is just the backside, so you know, you're not really tasting anything on the backside. There's no real meat back there. Just a little bit. Then I'm going to go with some rainbow peppercorn. Freshly ground. And not that much, just a little. Because, you know, it's the back. Then I'm going to hit it with a little bit of Mushroom and Company umami seasoning. And since this is so good, we're not going to use a lot. It's the back. We're just going to use a little. Bam. And then to lock it all in, bam, we're going to use some dark brown. Give us that nice molasses flavor. And once again, this is just the back. I'm not going to use that much. Just enough to lock everything else in, right? And give us that nice caramelized outside. Just give it a little pat down. And there you have it. Flip it over and repeat. We're gonna season this bad boy up. And that's it. I'm gonna throw this bad boy in the oven at about 325 for about 3 hours. Or until done, your preferred. But it's baby backs. It don't take that much. Now when we come back, we're gonna start on the burgers. But before that, I'm gonna put this in the oven. All right, we're about the hour and 10-minute mark. This pan is hot. That thing looking good. Almost there. almost done. Looking real good though. We'll be back when it's done, okay? All right. There you have it. Got them good old baby backs. Now, I did turn the fire up. I didn't go with 325. I went with 355 for roughly 2 hours. And I came up with this perfection. Oh my goodness, look at the other side. Look at the undercarriage. That's too much for y'all. Let me put that back down. That's too much. Slice it. Ooh, that's hot. It's hot. That's hot. Ooh. This thing cut like butter. Y'all see that? Nice and done. We're gonna take these bad boys up. Look at that juiciness. Look at that juiciness. Oh, yeah. Look at that. And just glistening. Look at all that juice. That juice. Baby back ribs. This is good. Nice and sweet from that brown sugar. The outside is nice and caramelized. There's y'all. Oh! Did I drop the rib, y'all? We'll see you on another one. We out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share this recipe.